we are doing this question. This is the previous question which we are done. Why is it over there? I'll explain. A silver wire has a diameter of 4.2 millimeter and the resistivity is 1.8 into 10 to the power of minus 8 ohm meter. How much length of the wire is required to make 6 ohm coil? See, what I'm trying to show here is you have a cylindrical wire itself, right? So that is, it continues to be there. So the length is there and we have the area of cross section, right? This is your area of cross section. The difference between these two questions is the cross sectional area is directly given. Here the diameter of it is given. So you need to find the cross section area and then continue with your working. So that's the difference. Okay, so please see to that. You know and read things properly. And when you read it, you should not be confused to how to go about doing it. So basically they given the diameter, find the radius first, then find the area and so on and so forth. Okay, so let's write given. Radius is diameter by 2, which is 2.1 millimeter. And this we can write it as 21 by 10 milli is 10 to the power of minus 3 meter. Further simplification is 21 into 10 to the power of minus 4 meter. Right? We have to convert everything to meter. So next thing is resistivity, which is 1.8 into 10 to the power of minus 8 ohm meter. So this we can rewrite it as 18 into 10 to the power of minus 9 ohm meter. How much length is required? So they're asking length and they're given resistance 6 ohm. So first thing first, okay, let me write length is to be found. We are looking at working. So we have to begin with area of cross section, which is since it's a circular shape structure, so it is pi r square. So it's 22 by 7 into radius is 21 into 10 to the power of minus 4 into 21 into 10 to the power of minus 4. And this is simple calculation. 7 ones are 7, 3s are 22 into 3 into 21 into 10 to the power of minus 4. 10 to the power of minus 4 is 10 to the power of minus 8. This is the only thing that I will calculate, right? Using the formula a to the power of n into a to the power of m is equal to a to the power of n plus m. Okay, this is the only thing which I did. Everything else I'm just keeping it. Again, remember the art of cancellation. It always helps. Next is your r is equal to rho L by A. Calculating the length. So we have r to be okay, 6. Rho we have that also 18 into 10 to the power of minus 9. Length we have to find and area turns out to be 22 into 3 into 21 into 10 to the power of minus 8. Okay, so let's see what and all we can cancel. 3 ones are 3, 6 are. Then 3 3 twos are 3, 7s are. Right? Then let us transpose things and even this. Okay, let me write it clearly so that there's no confusion. (22) into 7 into 10 to the power of minus 8. So 10 to the power of minus 9, 10 to the power of minus 8 will reduce to 10 to the power of minus 8. Again, all this is basic exponents. If you don't know, you have to learn all of this. Actually, I'm just taking too much of time to calculate this. It should not be I should not be writing so many steps, but again, this is a version wherein kids whose basics are weak, they need to, they can understand from this very clearly. If not, you can skip quite a few steps over here. So coming to this is minus 1 into L divided by 22 into 7. So here we use the formula e to the power of n by e to the power of m is equal to e to the power of n minus m. So then you transpose this. So you have 6 into 22 into 7 divided by 2 into 10 to the power of minus 1 is equal to your length. So 1s are 11s are 42. 42 into 11 is 462. So your length happens to be 462 divided by 10 to the power of minus 1 is into 10 to the power of plus 1. So this is 4620. Let's write it over here. 4620 meters. If you want to write it in standard form, it is 4.620 into 10 to the power of 3 meters. Okay. So this is your standard form. Right. Again, here the difference was that radius was given. We found the area of cross section and then we did the calculation. We just didn't jump into this. Right. And we can see quite a few math exponents, unit conversion, all of that is being used. So improve on that and then start all of this question. If not, you won't be able to do it. Right. So pause and have a look.